Hello, my good traders. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel. It's a long time. I miss all of you. Yes, it's been a while. I came your way with a video like this. Thank God we are here. But that should also tell you, the silence on this channel should also tell you that we are not actually on this channel to make revenue from, what do you call it, views. Or we are not kind of trying to get traffic just to make revenue. That's not our primary reason for creating a channel like this. All that we want you to achieve is to get value for watching the content here. So the value is what we care about. And that is why we are not in haste to upload new videos or to bring you new videos every day. Okay, so let's resume 2023 from now onwards. So the good news is that we're going to start bringing you valuable content from now onwards, just like we've been doing on this channel. So today is Sunday, and we'll be visiting our Sunday market review. We'll be looking at possible trades that you can take when the market opens. Signals, I mean, that is what I'm going to give to you today in this video. So watch this video to the end. And that will also be a reason for you to subscribe to this channel. You've realized that this channel is not interested in posting videos every day for the purpose of viewing and making revenue. No, our purpose is to give you value for your money. So that is why we are here. So subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first to grab it. Now, if you've been on my Telegram channel, the free Telegram channel, you will see that I post signals there almost every week. Although I wasn't active on YouTube, but I've been active on the Telegram channel. So if you're not part of that channel, please go to the description of this video. You'll see the link to join my free Telegram channel, okay? So that you can get some signals there for free as well. We also have a website. The website is also there. You can be going there from time to time to get new signals. But if you want to be receiving updates when we post something or when we post a signal on the website, you may have to go to the down part of the website. You see subscribe, or you'll be asked to leave your email. So you leave your email there on the website so that when we put a new signal there, you'll receive the update right in your email. Is that okay? So the website name is leadingforexsignals.com. leadingforexsignals.com. So when you go to that website, you will see the signals there and the results so far over there. You will see it. And that will tell you what we mean and what we stand for on this channel and other channels. Okay, now back to what we have for you today. We are going to look at the market this week, and I'm going to do the whole analysis with a little different approach compared to the previous ones we've been doing. Today's approach is going to be a bit different because it will involve a lot of learning. You'll be learning a whole lot of things as we progress. Now, the signals that I'm going to give today or for this week will be based on two things. One is going to be based on COT report or commitment of traders report. We are going to be looking at a part of the signals is going to look at a part of it from there. And the second part of it is going to be the chart, what we see on the chart. So the analysis I'm going to do, bear in mind that I am not just selecting those currencies because I'm selecting, but I'm also at the back of my mind looking at COT report, commitment of traders report. I know you already know more about that. If you don't, there's a video on this channel that talks about commitment of traders. If you also noticed, you realize that of late, the commitment of traders report has been delaying. The reason is because Commodity Futures Trading Commission, Commodity Futures Trading Commission, that is CFTC, have announced that they've had some technicalities, they've had some hitches that has prevented or that have blocked them from giving us the COT report on time. So if you check on their website, you see that the COT report as it stands now is on 7th March. Meanwhile, today is 19th March. So we should have had at least 1 or 2 more reports to make it latest, but it's delayed for almost 2 weeks. So we have 2 weeks report delayed. It is because they said they had a technical issue where their servers got crashed. And as a result of that, the commitment of traders report hasn't been able to come as it's supposed to come. Often it comes every Tuesday to the commission, then they prepare it, they work on it, and then they release it to us traders on Fridays, Eastern time. That is 5 p.m. Eastern time, which will be 9 p.m. in Ghana on every Friday. But of late, it's been delaying for 2 weeks, and that is their reason. So we all have to keep waiting. But the question is that report still going to affect us as traders if we are looking at it now that is going to be delayed for 2 weeks? Because this week being Sunday, 19th March, the Friday report that came was that of 7th March. 7th March, okay? Whilst we were supposed to get the 14th March report, we didn't get the 14th March report. We rather got the 7th March report. You understand? So it delays now. So is this going to have any effect on the market? Yes and no, depending on what kind of trader you are. If you're a long-term trader, that report is not going to affect you if it delays for just a week. But if you are a short-term trader, if you are a day trader or a scalper using COT report, then of course it's going to affect you. So it will really depend on what kind of trader you are. But in all, the report is still valuable if you are a long-term trader. Whether you are even still a short-term trader, it will help you to understand what is happening in the past. And once you're able to build your point from the past, you can be able to look into the future. So it's still very important to look at it if you are using it as a strategy. Is that okay? So the answer to whether now that it is delaying for almost 2 weeks will affect us, that is the answer I think I have for you. Other traders may have other answers, but for me, this will be my answer. If you're a long-term trader, you have no cause to worry. But if you're a short-term trader, maybe you may have to be worried a bit because maybe it may affect one way or the other your style of taking trades, looking at it. Is that okay? Good. Now, my strategy, like I said, which is the new approach I'm using to give you the signals, we'll look a bit into that. I have done that already at the background, so I wouldn't waste much of your time on it. So I'm going to take you straight to the chart, and then we'll do the analysis. Then we look at what signals we can take when the market opens in this week. Are we good? Now, this week, we're going to have 2 signals, 2. I'm giving you only 2. The rest will come on the Telegram channel and then on the website. Okay, and then those who wish to receive more signals may have to join the VIP group. The VIP group is where you will get more of the signals. Are we good? All right, so let's go to the chart. This is the chart here, and I prefer to use this today. This is trading view. I want to use the trading view today for the technical analysis. I can choose to use the what do you call it, the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5, but the reason is because I want to be able to move the chart like this. But sometimes on the MetaTrader 4, you are not able to move the charts that way to help you. So that's why I want to use this one today. So the very first currency we will be looking at is GBPCAD. GBPCAD. It's going to be our first signal for the week. Now, GBPCAD, the current price is at or closed at 1.67222. That's where it closed. Now, those who have already watched my tutorials on market structure and technical trading, which is also on this channel, will understand that we talked about patterns. And then those of you who listened or watched these patterns will tell you that we are seeing a pattern being formed here at the current market here. And what kind of pattern are we seeing? We are seeing a pattern called double top. We are seeing a pattern called double top. Okay. Now, once it comes back down, we may be getting something that looks like an M or an M formation. Do you get it? So once it respects this stop we are seeing here, then this is on 4-hour time frame. Yeah, this is on the 4-hour time frame. We may be getting the M formation. But currently, because this leg hasn't formed, we are seeing what we call double top. Now, the question is this market going to respect this stop here? Because this is the previous stop. Now, one would say yes, because currently the next 4-hour candle has closed bearish, which is an indication that this level we are seeing here is very strong. And for that matter, there may be a pullback down. That is the very first thing we are looking at. Now, if that is the case, you often don't have to wait for the market to give you that M formation before you say, oh, this was an M formation. No. It's your ability to spot the formation of the M early. That is also what matters. If you don't need the M, then you are looking at double top. This is the first top. This is the second top. It looks like there's no higher highs being formed at this very moment. Not like here. Here we had higher high here. But here, there's no higher high. It looks like the market is refusing to create another high. And if that is what is happening, then we can take our sell here. So if that is the case, we are going to be looking at this first candle here. Watch carefully. This candle here that formed the bearish candle. That is what other traders who are doing technical analysis will call order block. So that is an order block here. This is an order block candle. So those doing order block will be looking at this candle. Once the market closes below this candle, those who do order block, they are looking at the market to close below this candle. Once it closes below this candle, they will take their sell. That is the order block traders. Now, those who do just the patterns will be looking at this hold over here. And once this hold is there, they will be taking the sell. Or once there's this reversal sell candle here, they'll be taking the sell. The reason is because this candle that is formed here is also another type of candle that if you have studied the candle patterns, you will know that this is a candle that shows indecision in the market. And what kind of candle that shows indecision in the market? That is a doji candle. So the body is very small with long wicks. A doji candle, small body with long wicks. So also telling you that there's indecision in the market at this very moment. So you see that those who do candlesticks trading and those who do the pattern trading and those who do the order block, they are all looking at the same thing, but with different interpretations. So that is why I always tell people that a forex trading thing is one thing. It's just that the language that looks different or the language that is spoken differently. But we might be speaking the same or we might be saying the same thing, but in different languages. It's just like someone saying in French, come, and another person saying in English, come, and another person saying it in Spanish, that come. They are all saying come, but the come is said in different languages. That is how this analysis are. Those who are doing the order block are saying something which means the same thing as those who are doing the price action, which is also the same as those who are doing the candlesticks patterns. So we are all saying the same thing. You've just seen what the order block people will be looking at. And those who are looking at the patterns, the double top will be looking at. Do you get it? And those who are doing support and resistance, you get it. This is a resistance zone, so it's being respected. So if this resistance zone is being respected by getting a pullback in a candle like this, or those who are doing candlesticks anatomy, which has to do with candlesticks pattern, will look at this and say that this is a doji candle. They are all doing this using the same thing, but different languages. So you need not to feel so disturbed, okay? You need not to feel so disturbed when people are saying things and you feel like you don't understand their language. They are saying the same thing as you say in your language. Do you understand me? I pray that you understand the point I'm trying to make here, all right? So that is it. So if that's the case, We are expecting a sell here at this moment. We are looking at a sell down here. That is the kind of trade I want us to conclude. We are looking at a sell opportunity. So if we are looking at a sell opportunity, what is going to be our entry and what is going to be our stop loss and take profit? So we are taking a sell. So put our sell here. I've picked the sell 2. Now, our stop loss is going to be reduced to 100. Stop loss of 100 pips. And then let's go for a take profit of 150. Although I should have done it 100, but let's go for 150. Take profit. This is 149. This is 151. 150, please. Okay, 150. So this is going to be our sell trade. Stop loss of 100. A take profit of 150. So that is going to be our signal for today. That's one. So this is the stop loss price. At the right hand corner, that's 1.168,214. That's our stop loss. Our take profit is 1.165,709. This is our take profit. This is our stop loss. This is our take profit. So a take profit of 150, a stop loss of 100. And the entry price at this moment, because the market is still closed, we will assume it is 1.67222222. So that is our entry price. Okay, so that's our first signal. Now I want us to go and look at the second signal. Our second signal is going to be AUD JPY. AUD JPY. Okay. AUD JPY is also here. This is on 4 hour. This is on 4 hour. Okay. Maybe if I go back to the GBP trade, GBPCAD trade. Let me move to the 1 hour and then you see something. Okay. If I move the time frame to 1 hour, you see on the 1 hour, can you see what is happening on the 1 hour? Yes. So you see a lot of kind of consolidation. A lot of consolidation, no accurate movement to the top. The market is just consolidating. So that should tell you that the upward momentum is kind of finished or down. So it's very necessary to take a downward movement. Okay, so now let's go to the AUD. AUD NZD. AUD NZD. And AUD NZD, come on. Okay. All right, so here we are with AUD NZD. Also on 4 hour. On the 4 hour at this very moment, we are looking at something very critical. We are looking at this last stop here. If you look at here, you see that from here, all the lower lows that are coming are not too wide as compared to from this one to this one. Now from this one to this one, to this one, to this one, to this one. It means the momentum to the downside is getting weaker. It's getting weaker from here. And those of you who have done the patterns will be able to do some kind of pattern analysis and tell you what they are seeing. Are we good? Now I hope you understand. Yes. What kind of pattern is this? Those of you who do pattern analysis. When you see this is a falling wedge. That's a falling wedge, right? Good. So that is that. Those who are also into support and resistance stuff will be seeing this zone as a support zone. So currently on a support zone because we are looking at a double bottom. We are looking at what? A double bottom or a support zone. Those who are doing order block will be looking at this last bullish candle. Once the market respects this candle and make its way back with a new candle that closes above the last order block, which is the bullish candle. Once we get another bullish candle that closes above this one, that will be the entry for order block traders to take a buy. That will be an entry for the order block traders to take a buy. So we are also looking at a buy. So this is our entry. Let's go for 100 pips. Not looking for much. Just what 100 pips. And then a stop loss of, come on, 100, and then a stop loss of, okay, let's go for 800. Although the stop loss, I think is okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. 800. 800. All right. 800. So this is also going to be our second trade, buy. AUD NZD is going to be buy. So this is going to be our take profit over here at the right hand corner here. This red button price here is going to be our stop loss. So our stop loss is going to be 1.0603 6, 1.06036, and then our take profit is going to be 1.07845, 1.07845. That's going to be our take profit. Are we good? So this is also going to be our second signal. So all you need to do now is to wait. And when the market opens, then you can put these two trades on. At the end of the week, we'll come back and review this trade and see the outcome, whether we're going to win or lose. We will be back here to review it. But if you want more signals, at the description of this video, just at the description, you see the Telegram link to join my Telegram page. And then also, if you go to leadingforexsignals.com, that's the website, you see the signal is mainly for signals. And then you can subscribe. The bottom part of it, you see the subscription form. You subscribe so that anytime I'm posting a new video or a new signal, anytime I'm posting a new signal on that website, you'll be the first to get it. Is that okay? And also post or subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's what I want to say. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to grab it. So you have all these three places to make money from. The YouTube channel is there, the Telegram channel is there, and then the website is also there. But in all, the ultimate is for you to subscribe to this YouTube video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like the videos you are seeing to help the channel grow and reach more people. Once you like our videos or you comment on our videos, you are telling those watching or the YouTube algorithm that it should suggest this video to more people because the video is good. So make sure you like this video, and then YouTube algorithm will do the rest of the work. Thank you. I'll see you in the course of the week on the Telegram channel and also on the website. Until then, take very good care of yourself. But remember, now the market opens at 9 p.m. GMT. 9 p.m. GMT, which is the Eastern time, 5 p.m. Eastern time, which is 9 p.m. GMT. If I are using the GMT or the London time, the London time is 9 p.m. Okay, just the same as Ghana time, 9 p.m. All right, I'll see you in another video.